Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show you how to make these crochet ice skates for use as an ornament or coat pin. To do this, I'm using less than 20 yards of a DK weight yarn, a size F crochet hook, and two 2-inch paper clips. To begin, place a slip knot on your hook. Hold the paper clip like this. Insert into the paper clip and make a single crochet here. Make another single crochet. Over the double wire part, make 6 single crochet. It helps to hold your thumb over the opening part so that the stitches don't fly over to the other side. Also, it helps to make your stitches a little bit looser. After those 6 single crochet are made, make 2 more in the other end of the paper clip. You'll have a total of 10 single crochet stitches. That completes row 1. Chain 1 and turn. Now we're going to work in rounds. If you notice, we have a front loop and a back loop. For this side, we will work with the front loops only. Make 1 single crochet in each of the next 10 single crochet across, using the back loops only. Nine and 10. Once the 10 single crochet are completed, turn or pivot your work to the other side. Now we're going to work on what were the back loops of the initial row 1. Technically now they are the front loops again. So make 1 single crochet in each of the 10 remaining loops from the previous row. 9 and 10. When you get to the end, you can sort of see an oval type of shape forming. Slip stitch to the first stitch made on this round. Chain 1. And we'll work in rounds now under both loops from now on. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch across. You'll have to rotate the paper clip a bit to work on the other side of the round. Once the 20 stitches are completed, slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 1. For rounds 4 and 5, make 1 single crochet around. You can see the row 1 on the paper clip with 4 rounds above it for a total of 5 completed row and rounds. For round 6, chain 1. Make 1 single crochet in each of the first 6 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Skip over the next 8 stitches and turn your work to the back. Now make 1 single crochet in each of the last 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then slip stitch to close this round. Now, this round only has 12 single crochet stitches on it. You can see what this looks like. For round 7, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in each of the 12 stitches on this round. Then slip stitch to complete this round. Continue making 5 more rounds like this. Here is what all 12 rounds look like. There are 5 for the lower boot section and 7 for the upper boot section. You can change colors along the way. Make a second one at this time. I make a chain of 75 and then make a bow in the center. Sew it onto both skates. Sew or glue on a pom-pom or embroider laces onto the skate. And that's how I make these cute mini skates.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, Be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.